In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a domain name at Siteground and change the name servers efficiently. We'll cover everything step by step so you can follow along with ease, even if you're doing this for the first time. First, let's get started by navigating to Siteground's official website. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Siteground. This is your gateway to a wide range of web hosting solutions that they offer. Once you are on the homepage, you'll want to locate the login option. It should be at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will lead you to a page where you can enter your credentials. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your email and password. This will help you access the full range of features Siteground provides. After you're successfully logged into your account, head over to the home dashboard of the Siteground website. Here you'll see a variety of options, but we're focusing on registering a domain today. Now look for the marketplace icon. The marketplace is where different services, including domain registrations, are housed. Click on it. Once you're inside the marketplace, the next step is to find the domains section. This section is specifically designed to help you get your domain name. Click on the option that says Get Your Domain Name. This action will lead you to an interface where you can search for the domain you wish to register. Type in your desired domain name and check its availability. Once you find an available domain, follow the prompts to make a purchase. Now that you have your domain, let's focus on website settings. Click on the websites option. This will take you to a list of websites that are associated with your account. You should see your newly registered domain here. Look for the three-dot icon next to your domain. It's typically where additional settings or options are hidden. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll need to find and click on Server Details. This is where you can access vital information about your web hosting server. Once inside, look for the Nameservers option. Clicking this will give you the details on your current name servers. If you're looking to change these name servers, perhaps to point your domain to a different host, this is the place to do it. Simply edit the name server entries as needed, and remember to confirm your changes to ensure they are saved. And there you have it. That's how you register a domain on Siteground and change the name servers to point your domain wherever you need. Following these straightforward steps, you should have no trouble getting everything set up just right. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other videos for more practical tech tips and tutorials.